The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois Emergency Management. At 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unknown illness was reported spreading across the states of Illinois and Indiana. Health officials have not yet identified the source of this illness. Symptoms of this illness include fever, loss of coordination, aggression, and memory loss. It has been confirmed that infection results from contact of an infected individual. An immediate evacuation order has been issued for the following counties: in Illinois, Lake and Cook; in Indiana, Lake, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Newton, Jasper, Stark, and Marshall. Evacuation shelters are being set up by local authorities. Location of these shelters will be announced over local news media outlets. Residents are being asked to bring their own supplies and to proceed in an orderly manner. Do not approach any individual who is displaying symptoms of infection. Limit the use of telephone and cell phones at this time. Leave the lines open for emergency use. If you suspect an individual to be infected, quarantine them, then dial 911 immediately. Tune to local news media outlets for further details and information on this illness. This message will repeat every few minutes.